Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to a new video. So I already made an intro on this, but now it's after the painting and I gotta say I made a big mistake. I didn't cover the car enough, so I had some overspray on the roof. I'll show you right now. If I move the camera you can see the line right there where it was masked off and where it was not masked off. So yeah, watch the video and see me make the mistake. Luckily I got my friend at C3 Detailing. He's gonna help me out, polish the car and put it in a nice glass or ceramic coating, I'm not sure. So we can get it off, but it's gonna cost me a little bit more money. So yeah, let's watch the video and see my mistake. Yo, what is up guys? Welcome back to a new video. So you read the title, so I'm not gonna waste a lot of time on the intro. Behind me you can see the Go-Far. Let me turn you guys around. So as you can see, I already masked off the car. Yes, I did like half the car, or at least until that part right there, because I'm just scared. I'm not a professional spray painter. I don't want to paint the whole car. I only want to paint the RS brake calipers. Let me show you what I got. So I have the spray can inside. I got some masking plastic, as you could see on the car. I got some degreaser, and then right here, don't tell anyone it's RS calipers, but when I'm done with them they turned into Porsche, so only you guys know, nobody else, so don't tell anybody. I'm gonna get my car up and then we're gonna continue. Oh yeah, and before we forget, this is the spray can. I just teleported and got it. Spray Max. I actually don't know the brand. My brother ordered it on this shop. They say it's green, but if you look at the tip, there's already a little bit on there. It's like the neon yellow, green. I don't know. I might be colorblind, but for me this is green, and this is more yellow. But yeah, it's gonna be like yeah, green, yellow-ish neon color. So I have one 2K spray can. And then of course I have some sanding paper. I'll show you that when we get into sorry. Of course, next to all that we have some sanding paper and some more things we're gonna use. I'll show you that in the video. This is not gonna be a tutorial, or how to call it. It's just gonna be me, some amateur trying to spray paint the calipers. If they turn out good, then you can use it as a tutorial, but I don't know yet. So I'm gonna get the car up in the air and we're gonna get started.
On my own, but I'm never alone. On a road to wherever I want. And you see, I go with the wind, the places I've been, I keep them within. Holding on to a feeling so strong. On my own.
So I'm sorry I look like a vampire right now, but I had to turn the lighting of the camera down because it's getting a little bit dark. Also got a light so you can see what I did. I took off the wheel, I took off the brake pads, so now it's time to start sanding it down. Let me show you. Turn around the monitor. So as you can see, the brake pads and everything are right there on the ground. Sorry for my hand, sometimes it focuses on my hand. So they are fully removed. Let me give you some light. As you can see, now I can sand this down as well and spray paint it. So I'm gonna tape off, mask off the brake disc, so I can get in between, and the pistons of course of the caliper. But yeah, now I can get in there deeper, a little bit deeper. So yeah, I hope it's gonna work out, because they're pretty nice calipers. I think before they originally are powder coated, but as you can see with the lights on there, like without the lights it's okay, but with the lights you can see some damages, some parts are not 100% nice anymore. So yeah, Oh yeah, these things I'm gonna mask off as well, the nipples, or I don't know if in English this is nipples, but in Dutch is. I think in English it might be something else. Blow here as well. So yeah, let's start sanding it down. I got like 100 and 150 sanding paper. I have to check, but should be good enough, because it's not like an original non-painted caliper. So I'm just gonna rough it up, degrease it, and then start painting after masking everything off. So let's get it on. So it's the next day. I did some work yesterday evening. I first started with the 100 grit, sanded it all down, and then I used the 180. So I said 150, but it's 180. Now it's nice and smooth. I used the vacuum cleaner just to clean all the dust away. Now I'm gonna degrease. I'm gonna use this right here. But I might get some brake cleaner as well, just to spray it down first and then use that after that. So I use slow drying degreaser. You can see it's still not dried after like half an hour. But it's almost dry, so I'm going to start using this degreaser, just putting a little bit on a towel, I guess. I'm going to read on the back and then just clean it off. It's not that dirty anymore, maybe we can see. So I'm going to do the last part, cleaning like this, and then it's time to mask it off and spray. So it's after degreasing. I just got a white towel. It's a little bit dirty, but just to check, if you go over the brake pad now, or the caliper, sorry, it doesn't really leave anything anymore. So I think it's pretty dust free. So yeah, I'm gonna start masking off the caliper. I might use a trash bag around this. I've seen people do that because you can stretch it a little around it. It's easier, might be easier. And for the rest I'll just use this stuff and tape. So I'm gonna mask it off right now, and then we're gonna start spraying.
About to leave, already packing. Come with me, I'm not really asking. We'll get away to to a place where we don't know.
So the masking is going great. It's taking some time, but I'm putting all the tape in between there. Taped off this little nipple thing, and I taped off this whole square so the spray can't get into the pistons. You need to make sure of that. Easy way I did it, I got some tape and I pressed it on the piston on the inside, and then I folded it around the brake disc. I did that with a few pieces of tape, and then I put the tape on there like this, so I could close it off all the way. So now it's nice and covered. So I think I'm gonna use some plastic bags now to mask off the bigger areas, and then see what's left.
About to see the world in action, what we can be, life with no distractions, we'll get away, this is what we waited for. Take my hand, we'll make it somehow, we can't miss out.
So I'm finally done masking everything off. It was a pain in the ass to sand it down, clean it, mask it, but this is the result right here. As you can see, I can still reach everything with the spray can pretty good. So I used the garbage bag, I made a hole in it and then stretched it around so it stretches nicely between the disc and the caliper. So that's a little tip. I saw that on the internet. Now I'm just gonna start spraying. I think I need to do 5 coats, or no, not 5 coats. Spray every 5 minutes. Let me see right here. Every 5 minutes between coats. And I'm just gonna do one side and spray the other side and keep going like that until I get the result I want. So I really hope it's gonna work. So you can see my reflection. We started spraying. I'll show you a time lapse. The GoPro is right there. There's 3 layers on there right now. Looks pretty good. My hands got a little yellow. But yeah, I'm gonna do more layers because some of the little, how do you call it, scratches or things aren't completely smooth yet. So I'm gonna do maybe 1-2 more layers. So let's go. So as you can see, the painted right now, I got like 4 or 5 layers in. I don't know exactly, I didn't count them. Now I'm gonna let it dry for 1 hour. It's in 40 minutes it's dust dry, so I'm gonna let it dry for 1 hour. And another thing I'm a little bit worried about is if I used enough masking tape for the car, because it won't focus because of this little wire. As you can see, everything is yellow. Of course I was really close to the caliper, but let's hope the paint didn't get on the paint of the car. But we will find out in 1 hour. Oh yeah, of course for you it's not 1 hour, it's just this time. And there we are. Now they're dry. Let me switch the camera color because it's not really picking up the right color. It's hard to see on camera, but it's way more greenish, neonish color. Yeah, now it's dry. So let's take off the masking and get to stickering after that.
cliche. We're on the run, this is what we waited for.
So like I said, I'm not a paint specialist, and I think I f***ed up a little bit. I'll show you why. Yeah, now you can see. You see that line right there? And the camera zooms back in. So to the left of the line is where it was masked off, and to the right is where it wasn't masked off. So now I got a half yellow car, and that was not what I was trying to do here. So I'm just gonna continue with the calipers, and then after that I think I have to wash the car and use some paint thinner or something to get it off. I have no idea. We'll see, man, but we'll just continue with the calipers first. So I forgot to record putting the sticker on there, but I think we all know how stickers work. So that right there is the result. Try to see if the GoPro picks up the color better, but it's not yellow like this, it's more like the neon greenish yellow. So you can see the color a little bit better on the GoPro. As you can see, it's really bright neon-ish. Some call it yellow, some call it green. The result, to be honest, is pretty good. I do have some little runners, you know how to, I don't know how to call it, like where the paint is running. Just minor. You won't see it when the wheels are on the car. Let me show you the other side. So that right there is the finished result. Now I've only got one problem, as I showed you with the roof. If I move the camera, you can see the line right there, where it was masked off and where it was not masked off. So we have to clean that. What I'm going to do, I'm going to wash the car and then use some paint thinner to try to get it off. If not, then I don't know, I have to find another way. But we'll do that. That's not for this video. I'm not going to put the rims on. I think I'm going to end the video right now, because the rims, I ordered new rims and I'm going to get them tomorrow. So I don't even want these 20-inch back on here. I'll just leave the car like this, get the tires on the other rims, and then show you the whole complete picture in another video. So if you follow me on the channel, you're gonna see in the next video. Yeah, with that all being said, it's pretty easy. Make sure if you want to do it, you masked off the whole car. Just put plastic all over the car, or just take them off. You know, I was too lazy to take them off, and now I gotta deal with the consequences. But it is what it is. So yeah, if you follow the channel, you're gonna see in the next video how it looks with the new rims. With that being said, leave a like, subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I hope to see you in the next one.